Go. The world of mining is full of surprises. If you want to witness how powerful these mining machines can be, grab some popcorn and sit back because we're about to show you some real mining action. RK 5000 and bucket chain excavator. Now I'm talking about that. So let's start. The age. RK 5000 and bucket chain excavators, a machine used primarily in large-scale mining operations. This behemoth, constructed by the Soviet Union, is the perfect example of the power and efficiency. A bucket chain technology and extracting and transporting vast amounts of material weighing up rocks in really 20 million pounds. The HRK 5000 is designed to handle the most demanding mining tasks. At the heart of the HRK 5000 is its bucket chain system. The chain features multiple buckets, each with a capacity of 3.9 cubic yards, which continuously scoop up material as the chain rotates. This design allows the excavator to achieve a remarkable output of the 18,300 cubic yards per hour. The machine's strong construction and powerful electric motors generating around 15 megawatts of power enable it to operate efficiently even under harsh conditions. The excavator's boom, extending over 400 feet, provides an extensive reach, allowing it to give large areas without repositioning frequently. The jerk 85,000 and tracks, each measuring 16 feet, and with ensure stable movement across the mining site even on uneven terrain. Operator cabins are designed with ergonomic controls in advanced monitoring systems, ensuring precise operation and enhancing safety. Thanks for full watching. Subscribe for the next video. Thank you.